Let's go see the outside and see the damage. Let's see what we got here. Alrighty then. We've just got a little bit of snow, but it's mainly the drifts that are causing it. Okay, let's go through this. That's not gonna happen. I can't do this, can I? Ah, go! Yeah, that's it. I just walked through that. That is the...
You're retarded. Why did you wreck that?
Oh. Well.
I'm locking the door.
¿También alcanzaría caramelos para mí? Vamos, sí. Caramelos.
Look at this cat. He goes out there with a windbreaker on and no hat. And I say, "Do you want to borrow my chook? My Packers chook?" And he was like, I said, "Do you want a chook?" And he says, "Yeah." And then I show him that it's a Packers one.
Yeah, it was pretty crazy. Well, we weren't watching. Our cable and the internet's out, so we were having.
Where's my dad? Oh, there he is. I can see him. I can see him.
Let's go.
No, Bailey.
Yeah,
Stay. Stay.
Bailey, no! Bailey! Watch out for Daddy. He's coming through. It's okay. It's okay.
Come on, Daddy. It's so much fun.
Okay, I'm coming.
How do I get in my house?
Just keep walking. Go walk the maze.
You can make windows.
Knock, knock.
Or metal balls. Yes.
Can I come in?
Yeah, sure. Watch out for the shovel. I love my house.
Awesome.
Dad, thanks.
What is this over here?
Huh?
What is this over here?
What?
What is this area?
No, there's a path. This way. This way, Mama.
I wasn't really factoring in adults.
This way, Mama.
Yeah, this kid can walk.
Come on, Bailey. Come on. Come on, Bailey. It's
Go in Sophia's house.
Come on. Bailey, follow me. Follow me.
Now don't rush her because she can't walk very good in those boots. She's not used to walking on snow.
Or with such large thighs.
Oh, you look so cute.
Don't push her now. Don't push her. Don't push her. Watch out for her.
Here. It's on my delicious. You may have it. It's a golden rock.
Is there a baby over there?
It's hard to walk, eh? It's all mushy.
Come on, Bailey.
Doing good though. Good girl. Walking in the snow.
Whoopsie. Whoopsie. Hey, Bailey, come on.
Like a little joker.
Come on, Bailey.
Bailey, look at me.
Come on.
Aw, big
Come
neck.
on. You may have come in my house. Please watch out
She's like,
for
this is
that
the
rock.
longest journey.
This way, Bailey.
Yay! You made it!
Bailey, look.
I remember that
Bailey,
time when there was a
look.
Oh.
It's so
40-foot course.
Bailey, 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 Bailey.
She's like, what am I wearing?
Hey, Bailey, look, I got you some breakfast.
She doesn't need to eat that.
Okay. Hey, Bailey, look, there's some table. This is my living room. It's hard to dig in. Bailey, dig.
Eat some snow.
Dig,
You eat it.
dig. I'm digging. Dig.
Don't dig that.
Why?
'Cause that's your house. And you're getting all the snow in there, that's going to be harder to walk around in there.
Sorry. I just like my snow. It looks like some snow tea.
You like that snow? That tasty? Mmm.
Yeah, but sure is.
Good snow, eh? Ah.
Too